Hello Year 8, today we're going to be learning how to draw in Isometric to help you with your clock designs. So we're going to have a go at this now. So you're going to need a landscape page in your book, please, and if you can get printed off the internet a page with the isometric grid like this one here, and put it underneath your book, then it might make it a little bit easier for you to do this task. If not, just try and keep the same angles. Okay, so it's 30 and 60 degrees. Okay, and we're going to draw in this technique now. Okay, so I'm going to start off and draw a square. This is going to be where the clock face is going to be. I'm going to put this down there, and then I'm going to make it 3D. There. I'm going to do the stand. I think I'll go a little bit further back actually with that. So I'm going to get rid of that bit there, and I'm going to go there. Gone a little bit too far over there, haven't I? So I'm going to do it from here, along, and there. And then I'm going to delete, or you will rub out, part you wouldn't see. Now you've got shape where you're going to draw the clock face in here, but you've got 3D looking design now. Okay, so I'm going to take the grid lock off and I'm going to draw shape of my clock, and I'm going to do a Memphis inspired clock. Okay. And then I can get rid of all of these lines. And then I'm going to put the grid lock back on, so I've got those lines going there. I'm just going to use those as a guide now. Okay. So all the lines are going on the same angle, and then I'm going to join up these lines, and I'm following around parallel line there. Get rid of those, get rid of those, and then I've got a simple clock design in isometric view there. Okay, obviously you are going to add colour. You can do more than one on one page if you like. Okay, but I want you to have an attempt at drawing one design in isometric if you can, or if you prefer, check the links below and you can draw it in 2-point perspective, which I'll do another video for soon. But if you can have a go at isometric, that will be brilliant.